As you get older, have you ever wondered why you have less and less energy and begin to ache more and more? The answer, in part, is not age, but AGEs, or advanced glycation end products. AGEs are harmful compounds in the body that form when protein and excess sugar bind. AGEs not only contribute to the process of aging, but also to many other health issues that we experience. AGEs are part of life, and our body has ways to naturally defend against and dispose of these harmful compounds. Problems happen when we get a little crazy and overload the body with more than it can handle. It's a little like a bathtub. If you turn on the water and the pipes are clogged, the tub fills up. AGE levels are the same. If you're consuming AGEs faster than your body can dispose of them, then they overwhelm your body and can lead to some serious damage, both inside and out. AGEs are one of the causes for our aging. These harmful compounds can affect arteries, making them stiff and rigid. They can also cause wrinkles, damage tissue, or lead to even more serious issues. In fact, AGEs have been shown to play a key role in the development of several chronic diseases, like vision impairment, diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and kidney damage. Many of these issues are not only influenced by AGEs, but they actually cause AGE levels to increase. Wouldn't it be great if you could measure this change in your life? If you could actually see your AGE levels dropping? Wouldn't it be amazing if everyone knew their AGE levels, just like everyone knows their cholesterol levels? Well, good news! Thanks to a revolutionary new patented AGE testing technique developed by Miranda's partners and tested and validated by medical professionals from around the world, you can. The easy-to-use TrueAge scanner can determine your AGE levels in under 3 minutes by simply scanning your skin. This amazing new scanner will help you measure and monitor your body's current AGE levels. Remember, these AGEs are harmful compounds in the body that form when protein and excess sugar bind. They'll do a number on your body if you let them. So try eating that carrot raw. Cook your meat in a crock pot instead of the grill. Limit sugary, overcooked, and overprocessed foods in your diet. Exercise, and do your body a favor. Drink 2 ounces of Max every day for 4 weeks. See what happens to your true age and feel as young as you can. If you'd like more information on AGEs or other ways of improving your health, visit TrueAge.com